Alright, I installed the new exhaust blower motor. It's good. Rewire, put the new wires back on. Trimmed the hose, so now it's got a good tight fit on this. Just got to close it up. And I vacuum. Oh yeah, and there's there's 9 5/16 screws that need to come out when you do this, and you're going to need a little ratchet with a 5/16 socket, a nut driver to get the ones that in the corners that you can't reach with the socket. But other than that, it's not too difficult of a job to do. You could do it yourself. And all I need to do is put the cover back on and turn the electricity back on to it. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel at House Pro Plumbing. Thank you, and see you next time.